So it's about that time again. So received another box this morning. So I'm expecting this to be one of my wheel watches. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have here. Let's get it open. All right. Whoa, about to cut myself up. All right, there we go. Get out of the way. Alright, what do we have? This is a longer box than normal. Okay, so I already know what it is. Boulder Supply Company. So this is actually, this wheel watch I won, seemed like a month ago. So this one took quite a while to actually ship out. Yeah, it's been several weeks since I won this one. So let's see what this bad boy looks like. So inside we have like some warranty and instruction card paperwork. Looks like some type of credit card or something. Oh, warranty card with serial number. Comes in a nice little case. Boulder Supply Company imprinted on the top. Zipper. So let's open it up. Alright, so this is... I don't remember what the name of it was. I think I selected a Stealth, like a black Stealth Boulder Explorer, I think is what it was. So Explorer GMT. I really like this band. This is definitely a different type of band than I have on any of my other watches that I have. They have B Boulder hashtag on the back. You know, look on the back of the case, stainless steel case. Water resistant, 5 atmospheres, Boulder Explorer GMT. Like it says, Ronda 505 movement. You can catch that there and there. So looks I like it. Not too heavy, not too bulky. It kind of has like a blacked out, grayish blacked out face. I think that's the reason for the name. I think it says Stealth, if I recall correctly. Like I had the time as well as the date. Notice it didn't have a stopper present, so again, it may be one of the cases where it fell out, or maybe it just didn't come with one, because I don't see it anywhere in the casing or anything there. Still has the plastic on it, so doesn't appear to be used or anything like that. So nice watch, nice case. Okay, that moves pretty easily. Let's see, let's try the time. I mean the date. What is today? Today is the 30th, right? Not sure what time it is, but yeah, it looks to be starting to tick there, working pretty well. It's pretty nice. I'm currently rocking this orange Simplify. This was also a wheel watch. I actually quite like it, and it's the orange color kind of goes with Halloween. It's coming up, so it's not bad. But yeah, this is the Boulder Explorer GMT. Actually won this off the watch wheel, the watch game wheel. Very nice watch. Actually may have to spin the wheel again and maybe shoot for another one of these. They still haven't posted. So, thanks. And finally, you can also kind of see that it has, like it has a little bit of glow to it. Once I put it under a little bit of light and move it away from the camera and turn off the light, kind of have a little bit of lumi or something going on. Not too bright, but you probably can see it if you're in total darkness. So other things of note on the watch is that so when you pull it out once, you pull the crown out once, right? If you scroll forward, oops, there we go. There go one notch. So when you scroll forward, you see it adjust date, right? So again, we'll go to 30th for today. But if you scroll backwards, seeing that this is a GMT watch, you see that secondary hand moves. So you can set, say, 2 different time zones, so you're aware. So say if you're 2 hours ahead or an hour behind, you can set that. So you have that flexibility since it's a GMT. You can have 2 time zones ticking away on the watch. Other thing I probably want to make note of is that the band is not very long. So if you have bigger wrists, you may actually have a little bit of trouble getting this around your wrist, or you may have to replace the band if you're planning on keeping the watch. Lucky for me, I have pretty small wrists, so no problems there. But it is something that I noticed. The band does appear to be a little bit shorter than some of the other watches I have. So just something to keep in mind. And finally, just to give you an idea of the case size as well as the length of the band. As you can see, we have the Boulder Explorer there in the middle. It has a pretty relatively small case compared to some of the other watches. And then, as I mentioned, the band is a little bit shorter than some other watches, so that could be a problem for some people if they have a really big wrist, or because it has such a small face, it also could look pretty small on the wrist if you have a wider wrist or anything like that. So just something to keep in mind. Other than that, a really nice watch, and I will be wearing it over the next few days and trying it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.